Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Ariannitalagringa. Do you want to know how Americans celebrate Halloween? Well, in today's video, we will visit a Halloween store, we will see some spooky costumes, and we will also see how adults celebrate Halloween. Let's go! One of the most common Halloween traditions in the United States is carving a pumpkin. This is a pumpkin, but when you carve it and you make spooky eyes, a nose, and a mouth, it becomes a jack-o'-lantern. So a jack-o'-lantern is a popular Halloween decoration that you put on your porch. And since you carved everything out, like the eyes, the nose, and the mouth, then you can put a candle inside it and it'll light up. Did you know you can also eat pumpkin? Besides being used for decoration outside of your house or on your porch, you can actually eat it, and it's used for soups, breads, and pies. This is one of the most famous desserts for Halloween. This is pumpkin pie, and it's made out of a custard filling, and it tastes just like pumpkin. And in the store, you can also find pumpkin-flavored cakes, cookies, muffins, pumpkin glazed donuts, pumpkin ice cream, and even pumpkin spice cheese. And even coffee shops have pumpkin flavored drinks. This is an iced pumpkin cream chai, and they also have pumpkin spice lattes. Hi, what's your name?
Riley.
Hi, Riley. What is your favorite pumpkin flavored thing inside the grocery store?
Inside the grocery store, I think my favorite thing is most likely pumpkin pie.
Pumpkin pie, and what's your least favorite thing?
The pumpkin spice drink in Starbucks.
What are you going to be for Halloween?
I'm going to be Cookie Monster, and I'm going to bring Cookie Crumble to my friends on school day.
What have you been in the past? What kind of costume did you wear, like last year or a couple of years ago?
Last year I was a traffic cone.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And what's your favorite type of Halloween candy?
Most likely gummy bear clusters.
Before putting on my costume and knocking on people's doors, do you know how kids ask for candy on Halloween? What's the phrase? They say, trick or treat. This is the most common Halloween phrase. It's what kids ask to get candy. And if you want to feel more confident and learn new phrases like this one in English, then I want you to check out today's sponsor, Preply. Preply is a language learning platform with tons of native tutors. Their native English teachers will help you improve your vocabulary. And on the platform, you can find a class that fits your budget and busy schedule, whether you want a one-on-one class or a group session. And the best part, they're super encouraging and won't judge you for making mistakes. So if you want to improve your English, head on over to Preply and use my code Ariannita50 for a 50% discount on your first trial. Thanks to Preply for sponsoring this portion of the video. Now, do you guys want to see my Halloween costume? Let's go! Right now, I'm outside a Halloween store called Spirit Halloween, and it's only open during Halloween time. And inside the store, you can find things to dress up, like costumes, spooky masks, and you can even find stuff to decorate your house for trick-or-treaters. Let's go check it out! This is a place where you can find a bunch of costumes to wear on Halloween night. So what is a costume? A costume is a set of clothes you wear on your body, and you can dress up to be another person. For example, if I want to be a sexy witch, I can buy this costume. So in this bag, it comes with the dress and also the witch hat. Or I can also dress up and be an undeadly nurse. So in this bag, it includes a dress, hat, and stethoscope. And as you can see, this dress has like bloodstains on it, and it looks really cool. With some Halloween costumes, you might have to get accessories to complete your outfit. If you don't want to put on makeup or wear a lot of face paint, you can buy a mask, and a lot of these masks are based off of scary movies. For example, this mask is Chucky, and this one is Saw. Can you tell me which movie this mask is from? Let me know down below in the comments. You can also find spooky decorations for your home like tombstones, pumpkins, spiders, and ghosts. I walked around the whole store and I finally found my Halloween costume, and it's behind me. Can you try to guess what I'm going to be for Halloween? Let me know down below in the comments. Now it's time to go trick-or-treating. Can you guess who I am? I am La Catrina, Day of the Dead. Today is October 31st, so kids and adults dress up in costumes. And look, my puppy Ozuna is dressed up too. He's Chucky. Say hi!
Hi, I'm Chucky.
So what is the process? Well, first off, you have to dress up in a Halloween costume, and then once it gets dark out, maybe around 6 or 7 p.m., you will go door to door and ask for candy. And how do we say this? We say trick or treat. So now I think it's time to go trick or treating. Let's go. Trick or treat.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween, thank you. This is basically what a typical house looks like for Halloween. Look at all of the Halloween decorations. They have some jack-o'-lanterns over there with candles inside of them, and they're lit up and they're glowing. Halloween is not only for kids to get dressed up in a great costume and go trick-or-treating. You'll be accompanied with an adult if you are a child, and adults can also celebrate Halloween too. Some people might hand out beer, alcohol, or even Jello shots. Talking about adults, let's see how adults celebrate Halloween and get dressed up. Hi, what's your name?
Lauren.
And what are you dressed up as for Halloween?
I'm dressed as Ursula from The Little Mermaid.
Wow, I love that. Can you tell me about your accessories, like what you're wearing?
I have shell earrings. I have her shell necklace that she steals Ariel's voice, tentacles, and her eels, Flotsam and Jetsam.
What are your favorite Halloween traditions?
We like to go out every year in a big group costume, so we have my other Disney villains here.
What are you for Halloween?
I'm Jafar,
Can you tell me about your accessories?
just wearing the Jafar outfit.
Is that a fake beard?
Yeah, it's a fake beard.
Hi, what are your names?
Elijah. Lene.
Hannah.
And what are you guys dressed up as for Halloween?
A pirate. Nurses.
I'm Nurse. We're 20.
Awesome. And can you tell me about your accessories, like what you're wearing?
I've got this little like skeleton chain for pirates, just because like pirates are always got skeletons, and then just some little gold earrings. That's about it for me. I'm wearing a wig.
A wig?
Yeah.
Oh, she just
She's camera shy.
What is your favorite thing about Halloween?
The costumes. Everyone looks so good. Dressing up and like being somebody or not.
Hi, Kat. What are you dressed up as for Halloween?
The cat from Alice in Wonderland.
Can you tell me about your accessories?
I don't really have much. These are the only boots that matched, and they were in the car, so I wore them. My outfit's from Fashion Nova.
What are you dressed up as for Halloween?
I am a geisha.
Pyramid Head from Silent Hill.
Can you tell me a little bit about your accessories?
I had got everything from Amazon, but as far as face makeup, I did it myself. Hair, I did it myself. Same as her. She made her costume.
I made it.
She made the whole costume.
Wow, amazing.
Yeah.
And how long did it take you to do your makeup and everything in your costume?
It took me 2 hours.
2 hours? Wow. And what is your favorite thing about Halloween?
The festivities. Just being able to be a freak for a night and be okay.
I love everything about Halloween and spooky season. So
Tell me a little bit about your accessories.
And which way?
Like, is that your real hair?
Yeah, it's real, huh? I'm Beetlejuice
Those are actual leaves that we crushed up
from the
and we put on
garden.
his face.
Is it really? Wow, interesting. And you have staples on your face.
These are legit staples. This took over an hour to recreate, so thank you for noticing.
Amazing. I love your dress. I love your costume.
Thank you.
And
Thank
what is your favorite thing about Halloween?
I love dressing up. Like, it's great.
I love seeing everybody else's like commitment to whatever their theme is. It's so much fun.
Hi, what's your name?
My name's Madison. You can find me at Your Favorite Madison.
What are you wearing for Halloween?
I am a Victoria's Secret angel.
Can you tell me a little bit about your accessories?
My accessories, well, I have $180 bodysuits from Love and Lemons. We have my $200 wings here. And I have a pair of tights because I have to be warm on Halloween. and then a nude pair of crystal tights on top of it. My hair extensions, are we gonna go full detail?
Yeah, full
And
detail.
if you got zoomed in, I'm wearing purple contacts as well.
What is your favorite thing about Halloween?
Halloween, I just love that everyone can dress up, and I feel like when anyone dresses up, it kind of makes something different in their brain, like psychological wise, of them just being like crazy fun without people worrying about who they are, knowing who they are, but also pumpkin carving, like
Pumpkin
going to
carving?
a pumpkin patch, painting or carving a pumpkin.
And do you still celebrate Halloween? Do you go trick or treating?
No, we just go bar hopping now.
What are you guys dressed up as for Halloween?
Vampires.
Yes, we're all matching vampires. What is your favorite thing about Halloween?
Dressing up. I love dressing up. I love looking all nice and pretty and going out with my friends.
Yes, dressing up for sure.
Just being able to be whatever you want to be and just expressing your personality.
Do you guys go trick or treating still?
I will with my brother, my little brother. I
have a sister that is 10, so I'll go with her.
Okay.
I have niece and nephew that just have been born, so we're gonna go out and trick or treat.
What are you dressed up as for Halloween?
We went as circus freaks this year. We really didn't know exactly what we were going to do, so we had a bunch of ideas and we threw them all into a hat and then just picked one this week. We went to the craft store and got fabric and found this material. So I made this week.
everything.
Wow,
Yeah.
oh my God, I love it so much.
So, I mean, this ended up being our focal point.
What is your favorite scary movie?
I like The Conjuring.
Mine would have to be Jeepers Creepers.
What's your favorite Halloween tradition? What do you like to do for Halloween?
Dress up.
Dress up?
Yeah.
Mine is making costumes.
Yep.
I can tell. Well, thank you so much. Happy Halloween.
Hey,
What are you for Halloween?
This year I am Austin Powers. I'm Raven from Teen Titans.
And what's your favorite Halloween tradition?
Probably carving pumpkins and maybe just dressing up. Okay. Just going to a haunted house or something like that, I guess.
My name is Amani, and I'm dressed up as Corella DeVille.
My name is Nikki, and I'm dressed up as Little Red Riding Hood.
I'm KT and I'm dressed up as the Beast.
Can you tell me a little bit about your costume, like your accessories, what you're wearing?
I'm wearing just like Dalmatians. I kind of got scratched by my dogs, and then I kind of made a little Afrocentric by having a two-sided afro.
I just got a little dress, a little 1-2, a little cape, a little 3-4.
I got all my stuff stocked, but the max visibility is really bad. So unless you plan on not drinking, I would say don't buy it.
Is it really hot or itchy?
It's hard to breathe and the hair gets in your mouth sometimes, but other than that, it's okay.
What is your favorite Halloween tradition?
We like to carve pumpkins with our daughter, so that's probably like our best tradition right now.
I like to go trick-or-treating with my son.
Carving pumpkins and watching scary movies.
What's your favorite scary movie?
It's The Scream and The Shining.
And your favorite scary movie?
I feel like that's tough. Let's just say all of them.
I'm not really into scary movies, but the one that scares me the most is Smile.
Hi, what are both of your names? And can you tell me a little bit about your costume?
I'm Dory, and we're part of the Disney villains, Maleficent.
Amazing. And can you tell me about your accessories, like what's on your head, what you're holding?
Yeah, I have Maleficent's staff, and it lights up, and then I have Maleficent's horns, and she wears a lot of headpieces.
Hi, Megan. Can you tell me what your costume is?
My costume is Snow White.
Amazing. And what kind of accessories are you wearing?
I'm wearing a bow and I'm wearing a corset, all from Amazon.
What are your favorite Halloween traditions?
My favorite tradition is painting pumpkins.
Do you like carving them too?
I've never carved a pumpkin. That's on my
Wow.
to-do list this year.
Yeah, maybe tomorrow, maybe by the end of the week. And what's your favorite scary movie?
My favorite scary movie is The Conjuring 2.
Okay, everybody, I hope you guys enjoyed this video about Halloween. We visited a Halloween store, we saw some Halloween decorations, we went trick-or-treating, and we even interviewed people and asked them how they celebrate Halloween here in the United States. And now it's your turn. Let me know down below if you guys celebrate Halloween. I celebrated Halloween and I got a lot of candy. If you guys liked this video, go ahead and give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Happy Halloween!